Welcome back for another drawing lesson. Today we're going to draw this really cute boo cloud with a coin sun and a rainbow. I can't wait to teach you this one. Let's jump right into it. I'm so excited to draw this boo cloud with you today. The first thing we are going to do is begin to draw our sky scene. Now keep in mind, your sky and my sky don't have to look exactly the same. If you would like to draw a different number of clouds, or you want to put other elements in your sky, that's okay. Now what I'm going to do is first I'm going to draw a nice big fluffy cloud shape. This is going to be my main cloud. That's the one that I'm going to turn into a boo. Now I think that this top rounded part looks great for the top of the boo head. Find a spot on your cloud that you think would look like the top of a boo head, and then just below that we're going to leave a little bit of space, and then we're going to make this sort of W shape. It's like two little smiley faces that are connected in the middle, and that is the shape that is just above the boo eyes. And we're going to draw a little oval eye coming out of each one, just like that. Now I'm going to make a tiny highlight spot inside that eye and then color it in. Sometimes when I draw a very small boo, then I don't even make a highlight spot at all. If there's not enough room for it, don't worry about it. Highlight spots are always optional, but they can really add a lot of life to the eyes when you have space for it. Next, I'm going to make a straight line below the eyes, just a little bit beneath them, and it's going to make it look kind of like a very cranky boo, which I think actually looks super cute. But we're not going to leave him looking cranky. We're going to give him his nice big rounded boo smile. So we're going to draw from one side to the other, creating the boo smile. Now Boo has sharp teeth. I like to draw 4 teeth, and I like to make one on each side that is a long tooth, and then 2 smaller ones in between those 2. Finally, we'll make a curve inside of the mouth for the tongue. Now we need 2 more things here. Can anyone think of it? Arms. Yes, 2 arms. We're going to make a little bump over here, a little bump over there, and there we've got boo arms. Doesn't that look like a boo cloud? It's so cute. Okay, next we are going to draw a sun, but not just any sun. We're going to draw a coin sun. So I'm going to make it a little bit elongated. Instead of a circle, I'm making it a tall oval because I want it to look kind of like a coin. Now, you could make a round coin or an oval coin. It's your personal preference. And then to make it look like a Mario coin, we're going to draw another oval inside of it, just a little bit inside. And then we're going to make a rectangle right in the middle. You can see that part of my coin is hiding behind the cloud. Like it's peeking out from behind there. It's partly sunny. Feel free to draw your coin fully visible or hiding behind a cloud as well. I'm going to add the sun's rays with a marker later, so for now I'm going to skip ahead to draw my rainbow. Now I want my rainbow to be coming out and going up this way. Feel free to draw yours wherever you would like it. And I'm going to draw 2 curves for that rainbow. Now you can go right into it with the colors, or you can define the different stripes. I'm going to make a rainbow using 6 colors because it's just a little bit easier to divide up the lines. So because I'm using 6, I can make one of the stripes going right down in between these 2 in the middle. And then each of these will have to have 3. So I'll try to divide them up equally if I can, or at least close enough. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's just about exploring art and having fun. Now I have other space on my paper, so I can draw more clouds. Maybe I want to draw a paratroopa. That would be funny. Maybe you want to make it a rain cloud and it's raining. Now here again is my colored in version. You can see I've got the rainbow colors, the yellow and golden sun, and then the tongue inside the boo's mouth colored in as well. I could add some blue for the sky. I could add some more details. You can add a little light shadowing at the bottom of the cloud. I can't wait to see what you come up with. I think that there is a lot that you could add to your own to make it unique. Thank you for drawing with me today. I hope you enjoyed making your own boo cloud and an entire sky filled with anything that you could imagine. I hope to see what you created when you tag me on social media, and make sure to subscribe if you like drawing with me so that we can keep drawing together. Until next time, thanks for drawing with me.